Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik and in today's video we are going to do this topic trigonometry. But we'll do a specific topic that how to find the ratios of trigonometry using only one, hence the sine theta. So for doing so, this trick is required when you have to prove something or you forget the table in exam but you remember the sign. So I'll tell you how to find all of this. Firstly, you should actually know all the table and all the ratios, but if you don't remember by chance, so you can use this trick. And to learn the table in easy way, please see my video. I'll put its link in the description. Okay. Now, so what I was telling, how to find this. So firstly, you would have to remember sine theta, hence the sine ratio. But you should not forget sine because it's the most important in all of these. So we'll start. See, 0 degree sine is 0, 30 degree 1 by 2, 45 degree 1 by root 2, 60 degree root 3 by 2 and 90 degree 1. So how will you do cos? Cos, just reverse it or reversed 1, 1 over here, 0 over here. 1 by root 2 will as it is come here, 1 by root 2. Now root 3 by 2 will go here, root 3 by 2 and here 1 by 2. Now what would you do? You know tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. Firstly, I'll tell you what is tan. Tan is sine upon cos. So if we divide to find this, it will be 0 by 1. Okay, 0 by 1 here to find tan 0 degree. So what is 0 by 1? 0. So here 0 will come. Now 30 degree 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 divide will get replaced by multiply and root 3 by 2 will be reciprocal and 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. 2 to cancel. Now what's left? 1 by root 3. Now to do this, 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1 because the divide will get into multiply. Let me solve it for you just. 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. 1 will remain as it is, root 2 will get cut. So this will be 1. Now root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into 2. Cancel. Now 2 will come here and 1 divided by 0. So it will be not defined. Why? Because any means P by Q form, Q cannot be 0. Otherwise it will be not defined. So same is getting applied here. So we'll just write N D. Okay. And at last I will explain you this also. Now what is cot? Again just reverse it. ND. Now this will come here. Okay, this is reversed. Now 1 by root 3 here. Wait, this would be root 3, not 2. Root 3. Here would be root 3. Now here will be 1 by root 3. 1 as it is. Now To find sec, what will we do? We'll just we know that sec is the opposite of cos, so we'll do what? Just the opposite of it. Like opposite of 1 means the reciprocal of 1. So what is the reciprocal of 1? 1 upon 1, which will also be 1. So reciprocal of 1 is also 1. Now root 3 by 2, what is its opposite? Its reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Now what is the reciprocal of this? 1 by root 2, it is root 2. Now wait, what's the reciprocal of 1 by 2? It is 2. Now 90 degree, what is the reciprocal of 0? It is 1 by 0, which is not defined. Now what is left? Cosec. What will we do for cosec? Again just reverse them. For cosec, this will be 1 and this will be not defined. Now same here, 2 by root 3. Now root 2 will come as it is. So our trigonometry table is complete. Now if you don't want to watch the video, I'll just tell you a trick how to learn it. See, firstly we'll make the pairs 0 and 90 together, 30, 60 together, and 45 alone. Okay? To learn that trick, we will have to do it. Now 0 and 90. How would you learn? 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to ND, ND to 0, 1 to ND, ND to 1. Okay, this is the for 0 to 90. Again repeat after me. 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to ND, 1 ND to 0, 1 to ND, ND to 1. Now once more. 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to ND, ND to 0, 1 to ND, ND to 1. Okay. Now 30, 60. No, firstly we will do 45 because 30, 60 are confused. 45, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1, 1, root 2, root 2. What? 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1, 1, root 2, root 2. Now this together, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to ND, ND to 0, 1 to ND, ND to 1, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1, 1, root 2, root 2. Okay? Now 30, 60. These are confusing, so you would have to remain them in mind and practice again and again. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 3, root 3, root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 2, 2, 2 by root 3. Again 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 3, root 3, root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 2, 2, 2 by root 3. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2 1 by 2, 1 by root 3 root 3 root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 2, 2, 2 by root 3. Now once more, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2 2 root 3 by 2 1 by 2, 1 by root 3 root 3 root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3 2, 2, 2 by root 3. Okay. Now whole trigonometry table, firstly 0, then 45, then 36. 0 to 1, 1 to 0, 0 to ND, ND to 0, 1 to ND, ND to 1. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1, 1 root 2, root 2. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by root 3, root 3, root 3, 1 by root 3, 2 by root 3, 2, 2, 2 by root 3. Okay, I've explained it in short, or otherwise you can watch the video. Now, firstly we'll see this one. Yes. What is this? This is a hexagon. You all know. But the main thing about it. Firstly, we'll write. Wait. There's something confusing. I made this wrong. Yes. Its shape will be changed. This will be like this. And this will be like this. See, we'll just require the corners. This will be sine this will be cos, this will be tan, this will be cot, this will be sec, and this will be cosec. Now I'll tell you what is it used for. See, there mostly comes the multiplication of two ratios. So how can you do them? Tan into cot is 1. See, if it is saying to multiply the opposite ones, okay, so it will be 1. Answer will be 1. OPP, opposite ones, answer will be 1. But if it is saying to multiply like adjacent ones, like this, okay, means leaving the gap of between. For example, sine into cot. Sine into cot will be cos, meaning this multiply this will be the mid value. Okay, this multiply this will be the mid value. Sine into sec, tan. Okay, and tan into cosec will be sec, meaning this into this comes the mid value. Okay, so gap of 1, gap of 1, mid value. So this was their hexagon. Now friends, in next video I'll continue this topic and I'll come to the triangles, meaning how can we find the side of a triangle with the given angle, and also using the trigonometric ratio. Okay friends, bye bye. See you all in the next class.